Something knows. Hi everybody. Today we're talking about subtraction. Mirror my actions. Subtraction is when you start with a number and you take some away. Mirror my actions. Subtraction is when you start with a number and you take some away, right? And we've been using our B's here to kind of do it, right? And we've been talking about how to line these problems up and set them up so when you do them, you get the correct answer. And we talked about the difference being the answer to a subtraction problem. So if I have a subtraction problem, the answer is called the difference, right? So let's take a look at this story problem here, this word problem. There were 5 bees collecting pollen. 2 bees flew away. How many are left? All right, so we started with 5. Now in a subtraction problem, if you're writing it across, right, the number you start with goes first, okay? If you're writing it up and down, the number you start with goes on top. The subtraction sign, or the minus sign, goes off to the side, okay? Now, the next number is how many you're taking away. So, we had 5 bees, and 2 flew away. So we took away 2, didn't we? And over here, we took away 2, right? So we start with 5 bees, and we take away 2. Now the difference is what's left over, right? 1, 2, 3. We've got 3 left over. Now sometimes there's not going to be a picture up there for you to work with, right? So you're going to have to make your own picture. So if we're given this and we're asked to find the difference, we're going to draw a picture of the number on top. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then we're going to take away this amount, 2, and you're going to count what's left. 1, 2, 3. The difference, or the answer, is 3. So 5 minus 2, the difference is 3. Okay? Let's take a look at this one. We are going to make our own problem here, okay? I'm going to try to make this work. So, we've got these bees here. What number would go here? What number would go first? Well, the number of bees we start with. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? And if I was making the problem like this, I would make a 6 up on top, and then I may even draw my 6. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? Now we're going to take some away. How many do you want to take away? Let's take away 2. Right? So, the number you're taking away is going to be second. On this kind of problem, it would be on the bottom. Minus out to the side, 2. Okay? So let's make 2 bees fly away. Let's see if I can get, there's 1. There's 2. Flying away from me. Get out of here, bees. The difference is what's left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? In this case over here, I've got my picture drawn. I've got to take away 2. 1, 2. The difference is what's left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I had 6 bees and 2 flew away, I would have 4 left. Remember, the answer is called the difference, okay? That's what we're talking about today. Now, the worksheet that I gave you already has pictures drawn in. And you should have a worksheet like, well, oopsie, no, what did I do? Okay, that's not you. You should have a worksheet that looks like this, input. Oh, I guess I wanted to stay here, okay. Well, there we go. Okay, you have a worksheet that looks like this, right? With the bunny rabbits. So let's just, we're going to take a look. I'll do one with you, and then just turn this back in when you come to get your packet for this week, okay? So we're starting with 5. I'm going to go ahead and trace these numbers here. Minus 4. Remember, this is the number we start with. This is how many we're taking away. So did we start with 5 bunnies? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we did. How many did we take away? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many are left? 1's left. So 5 minus 4 equals 1, right? Or the difference of 5 and 4 is 1. Very nice. Let's do one more together, and then I'll set you off on your own. Finish the page up. So we're going to go ahead and trace over our numbers here. 5 minus 2, right? And we know we started with 5 because in a subtraction problem, the number we start with is first. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, 5. And how many are we going to take away? 2. So let's take away those 2. And how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. Or the difference was 3. I hope this makes sense to you. I hope you're doing a good job with this. Stay safe this weekend. Finish out this problem. So I should have the book subtraction worksheet and the bunny subtraction worksheet, okay? In your folders when you pick up next week's materials. All right. Have a wonderful weekend. B is out.